Alright kids, we have a sissy in here.
Whoa! We've got a big box!
Oh, nice.
Ah!
No, we need scissors again. Hi kids. Oh, it's the dog. It's the dog.
Well, what do we have here, guys?
A vacuum cleaner.
Well, thanks for taking away the surprise.
It's like a great vacuum cleaner.
Oh, and you know what word is on there? Shark. Well, normally everybody we do toy unboxing videos and playtime videos. As pointed out in our comments, we have one dirty carpet. And so it's about time we invested in a new vacuum cleaner. Let's see what we got. This was a present from Mommy to Daddy and Jack Jack. As you can see, our floor takes quite a beating, especially with the love of Play-Doh in this house. Yikes. So what do we have here? We've got a Shark Navigator Liftaway Pro. Let's check it out.
Go. Let's unbox this.
I think Mommy's going to need to help you with that before you cut your fingers off.
Okay.
Okay.
I want to.
Scissors are for adults, right, Jack?
Especially big, sharp kitchen scissors like those.
Huh? I'll open it. Let's open it. Let's open it.
Okay, now you can help.
Oh, it is a. Let's try and take it out. Oh, it's heavy. It's heavy. Like that.
Jack, do you love vacuum cleaners?
This is,
A year ago, he was terrified of them, and now Jack loves vacuuming.
So fun. Check it.
Oh boy, look at all that good stuff.
Left piece. You got it, Jack? Anything else in there?
Jack would like you all to see our old vacuum cleaner, which was a Kenmore of some type, and you know, it lasted for us for a long time. It just
We built that.
it's time for a new one.
The attachments, Johnny.
So exciting. Molly, what do you think?
Molly, is it gonna vacuum up all your hair?
Yeah. Owning a Labrador Retriever, we have a lot of hair in our carpet. A lot. Speaking of animals, look at this that came with the Shark Navigator Premium Pet Hair Cleanup Tools. We definitely need that.
Oh, look, it has a hardwood floor attachment. That's what that is. Oh, that'll be good for our kitchen.
Nothing like the juxtaposition of Hot Wheels toys, trucks, and vacuum cleaners. Jack, is that like a truck or like a spaceship or something
Okay,
in
quick
between?
start assembly.
It looks like a car.
Rick, you want to help me make sure we have all the pieces ready? Slide on back accessory holder. So insert extension 1C. Oh, I think that's this. Good job, Jack. It's definitely this. And it goes in this direction. Perfect.
Right here. Right here.
It already has dog hair in it from the kids playing. Okay, great. F. Insert handle into top of extension wand.
My mind is blown.
You almost made the part.
So what do you think of all of this? Do you want to just be able to shed and leave your hair everywhere? Here we are. We've got the vacuum assembled, and Jack has his new spaceship / vacuum attachment. Looks pretty good. Shall we try it out, kids?
Yeah.
All right, here we're gonna try it out. Suction. It's got a new car smell. That's kind of weird. Whoa, it's got multiple speeds. Superpower.
I can vacuum.
All right, let's check out how much dirt we pulled up. And frankly, dog hair. You can already kind of see it. All right, let's see. What do we have to do? How do we open this? I think we push that.
See?
Oh, watch your hand, Jack. Let's let everybody see. Wow, that's a lot of dirt already. This thing's got some power. Well, we'll have to check back with this after we've used it for a while, but so far so good. This looks like it's going to be a huge help around our house. Okay guys, we're going to keep vacuuming. Normally we do toy unboxings and playtime and look at Jack's trucks, but today we thought we'd change it up a little bit because we desperately needed a new vacuum cleaner. Alright, check us out again sometime. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and what should they do, kids?
Subscribe!
Right on.
Subscribe!
Yes, Molly, we're going to clean up after you.